Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Thursday, August 26, 2021. This morning, after the news that the terrorist attack at the Kabul airport that killed at least 13 American service members and injured 18 more. So the market pulled back down. Is it a warning sign for the market top after they run up from pandemic low, or it will continue to go up? So first, let's take a look on the chart so that we can see where we are heading things. So overall, the trend is still up. So the market hit to the third way up here. So they pull back down. So they found the support, and look like the trend is still bullish, even though it's a little bit shaky. So the market, it will be put up one more leg up, I believe, if they go to clear this level here. And then, when we get into this area here, then we have to pay extremely attention to see it where the market is to be able to put it up, because we are very close to September. So September usually is the best month of the year for the stock market, so that we have to be cautious. But look at the chart, look at the technical analysis here, they still have a little bit more room to run up, and then we have to pay attention. So right now we will stick with the uptrend, but the stop loss will be in play. Okay, and then we travel the stop loss to the top, and if they revert, then it means that the market will have a bigger correction to the downside in the future here. Okay, so let's take a look on the Nasdaq. It also pulled back down this morning after they run up to the top. They pull back down, so overnight they try to put it back up. So if they can clear this resistance here, they still have room to run up. But if they give up this level here, then we have to pay a little bit more attention for the Nasdaq stock. But look at the 10-year Treasury note. This morning they push it back up. That's why a lot of technology stock couldn't go higher. But right now they're at the resistance. So tomorrow they will pull back down. So tech stock will have room to put it back up again. Okay, and look at the Dow. The Dow, it also hit it up and then pull back down. They found a support here, so let's see if they'll be able to continue to put it up tomorrow. And the Russell 2000 is still ran by choppy here. They push it back up, but a long move here, so they take a break. They pull back down, but they try to hold on here. So if they can come back and reset this line, if they break through this line, they will continue to go upside. Okay, because the nature of the Russell 2000 is still sideways market right now. If you look at the crude oil, is still they pull back down like a couple of days. They pull back down, they hold the support. So if they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to put it up. Okay, to the upside here. And if you look at the gold is still short term. They hit the resistance, they pull back down, and then they try to get back to test this level here. So if they can clear this one here, they still have one more leg to put it up also. And look at the Bitcoin, it's still sideways correction here, and they have some support here. So they on the bigger time frame, they are hit the resistance, so they are still sideways correction right now. So it's the same thing for the Ethereum. It's very similar. Okay, they need to push it back up, and then we will see. Right now they are choppy sideways between this rainbow here. Okay, if you look at the volatility, so this morning volatility pick up a little bit on the VIX. So the volatility index, they put it up this morning. So the market is a little bit jittering there, but let's see if they continue to go up. It means that the market will have some problem to go higher. But if it one they pull back down, and the market will have a chance to put it up again. So a lot of sector that we have been looking at, like utility sector, is still hang tight to the upside there. They pull back. They try to hold up to the support here. So let's see if they be able to put it up one more time. If they drop below here, then and then the utility will be run out of gas too. But right now, it try to hold up at a support here. So a lot of stock, as you can see in the roof, as we mentioned, they are to push it back up. They hit the resistance, so they pull back down. So a couple of stock there, SO, same thing, put it up, pull back down, and a lot of energy stock there. They also go up, hit the resistance. They also pull back down also. The XLV, which is the healthcare sector, is still pretty strong, but a couple of big brand name on the vaccine stock they pull down the last couple of weeks. So this one has pulled it down also. You can see a couple of them like Johnson Johnson, right? MRK, they all pull back down. Moderna still hold strong there. Okay, and the Pfizer, they also pull back down, as you can see here. And a couple of strong ones like REGN, SYK, Stryker, they also get a problem at the resistance level also. In terms of technology stock, a lot of stock is still strong, but they are a little bit extended, so that a little bit more side of trouble on the top here. So you can see a couple of strong stock like Salesforce, they push it up this morning, but the seller coming in, they push it back down. So technically, it still have some problem here on the technology stock. Okay, so they go up, people take the profit. So that's not a good side, but some strong stock like Cisco, it's still hang high, but very extended also. The technology software is still doing well, but it's also very extended also, so why you have to be careful. Okay, Netflix is trying to get back here, right into the rainbow here. That's where they failed to break through it. They still go sideways right now. So let's see if they're able to build up some momentum and continue to break through that area or not. We will see it in the next couple of days. In terms of financial, the market is still try to put it up. They hit right to resistance, they pull back down. So let's see if they can clear that area here. They will continue to go up. A lot of stock in that sector, they also get stuck at the resistance that you can see here. So that core the sector there to choppy there. Even Goldman Sachs or PayPal, you can see here they couldn't break through the previous high here, so they still sideways choppy there. A lot of stock in the retail sector, some of them are bad earnings. They come back, they retest, they fail to go higher, and then boom, they come back down. But some strong stock here, they try to call back up to retest the high there. So with the Delta variant, they are now good earning, but they could not hold on, so they still slam it down there. So consumer stable, a little bit extended, so they need to pull back for correction right now. In terms of a couple of stocks that earning doing well, like DKS, it's very strong and continue to put it up. Palo Alto Network, they also very strong there. But the one, the Autodesk, they are too fast. So they give you a sell signal right here, and today they drop right away after the earning. And a lot of China stock still hold on to it, like Baidu. They try to rebound from the bottom, but they still have a lot of resistance there. But a couple of strong stock like JD and Tencent, okay, they are still choppy because a lot of resistance at this level there. Okay, so but the WB still doing well there. So let's see how they be able to clear this resistance here, and then they can continue to go up. Okay, so anything else? Yeah, so far all of the fan stock they pull back a little bit. Like Apple, Amazon try to rebound from the bottom here, but they still have some resistance there. Microsoft, after they run up, it's very strong. People took profit also. Okay, so beside this stock, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. For example, like some of the stock we highlight this week, like ETSY, as you can see here, they break out and continue to the upside, and some stock in the list like the AVX, right? So we highlighted enter right here, and at $12, and right now they are hit to target 1, and then they try to get to target 2 right there. Okay, and Nvidia, okay, that's another one in our watch list. They have been run up from here, and then they go straight up there. Okay, so a very bullish stock, they hit to the target there. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button, or any suggestion, please let me know on the comment below, and I will see how the market acting tomorrow, and then I will do a weekly market forecast. So looking forward for you to see, and then anything update I will put into the weekly market forecast for you. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and good luck to your trading. I will see you on the weekend. Take care, everyone.